If you've ever closed PowerPoint by mistake or lost work before saving, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover a PowerPoint file that was not saved. This is one of the fastest ways to bring back an unsaved presentation, and it can save you from losing important slides, edits, and last-minute changes. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the File tab in the top left corner. From there, click Info. This section contains recovery and document management options, and it's where PowerPoint stores tools for finding unsaved work. Next, look for Manage Presentation and click it. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option called Recover Unsaved Presentations. This is the feature you want because it lets you search for files that were not properly saved before PowerPoint closed. Click Recover Unsaved Presentations and a window will open showing available unsaved files. Take a moment to look through the list and find the presentation you want to restore. If you see the correct file, select it and click Open. PowerPoint will load the recovered version so you can review it and make sure your work is there. Once the file opens, don't forget this next step. Click Save As immediately. This is important because recovered files may still be temporary until you save them in a permanent location. Choose where you want to store the presentation, give it a clear file name, and save it to your computer. That way, you won't risk losing it again. And that's it. Your unsaved PowerPoint file has been recovered successfully. Hopefully this saved you a lot of time and stress. If it worked for you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might need the same fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.